Good morning. We're going to look at Google Earth today. So after you download Google Earth to your home computer, open it up, and I'm going to show you the basics and tell you what your assignment is. So what Google Earth is it gives you street views and world views of different places in the world. So say that you wanted to see Mexico. Google Earth would fly around until you see Mexico. You could double click and it would zoom into Mexico. The more you double click, the more it zooms in. And as you get closer and closer in, you'll see these little points of interest. And if you click on one of those, you'll see what it is. So it's really useful in the classroom. To look at the other features of it today, you are going to create a road trip. So this is on Moodle, and it says with a partner. You can do it by yourself or with a partner. Choose a starting place by flying into somewhere. So let me show you how to do that. I am going to take a road trip to my favorite place, Disney World. Type it in the search box and you'll see Google Earth fly over to Disney World. And what we're going to do is put a pin, a place mark here at Disney World, which I've already done. And then I'm going to see how far is it from Disney World to my house. So I'm going to type in my address. And it will fly on over the Gulf to my house. Now, one really neat thing about Google Earth is the street view. So again, I'm going to double click and that will bring me in closer. And if you come over to the right hand side, you'll see this little man. If you drag the little man to the street in front of my house, you will get the street view of my street. You can drag Google Earth around and now you can see that is my house. So it's really neat and useful. You can exit the street view here and we're back on the overview of my street. These tools right here will allow you to look around and then zoom in or zoom out, however you like to. So for this assignment, you are going to put a place mark for your opening position. You're going to document your longitude and latitude, and you'll do that while putting a place mark. Let me show you that. So if I put a place mark here on my house, you'll see the longitude and latitude for my house. And then after that, you'll add a place mark to your destination, and I want you to try to use the measuring tool to determine the length of your road trip. I also want you to try the record a tour feature for your road trip. So all of these tools can be found up here, and I just want you to play with them for a bit. One other thing I wanted to show you before we leave is Google Earth now has Google Sky, Google Mars, and Google Moon. Let's look at how neat this is. So if you go to Google Sky, it will show you all of the stars and planets and constellations. Very, very cool. The newest one is Google Mars, and it will fly you over to Mars. And just like on Google Earth, if you double click, it will zoom in. Keep double clicking and you'll find these points of interest, and it will describe them for you. So play around with this in order to get your grade. When you come into class next time, I will have you open up Google Earth and show me your road trip. So I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. Bye.